Hey everyone, since I'm down here in Tarpon Springs, Florida, staying at this condo here, joining up my parents, I'm in the bedroom, and this time we got two GE vent fans. This is one of them. They're probably, I'm not sure what they are. They could be Caribbean Electric, they could be Heritage for all I know. Not really sure. I don't know if they would be Brown, Alaska or not. But yeah. But anywho, this one, for the size of this bedroom here, the condo owners, the unit owners they had a 42-inch fan put in a huge bedroom, which just doesn't make much sense to me, but whatever. So, of course, it's on the one switch there. I'm going to start with low. Oh. Oh. Interesting. Got a speed that doesn't really work. Okay. I'm not going to bother fixing these. Okay. So this is its low. Maybe this is. Let's see if it's... Let's see, maybe it's off. Interesting. I don't know. Let me just see. Well, okay, let's try. Wonder if this is the only speed it runs at, which is near as high. This appears to be high. Huh. See, there's something wrong with the wires, and I only feel a very little breeze from it. Yeah. Even though these fans are old, I would have replaced these. I would have put some better stuff, but yeah. Okay, we'll do spin down. Either not all the speeds are working or it's a pull chain that's not connected in there. I'm not going to mess with it. This is not a fan worth doing that to. And just to be sure it's off, I'm just going to turn the light off, just turn the master switch off. Yeah, I can think of a whole bunch of things to go in this bedroom. I can tell you a whole bunch. I mean, I'm open to hearing ideas, but I ain't gonna change this. This ain't my place. This ain't my parents' place, but they're just renting this condo for a few months, so. But I just always think of ideas of what I'd like to have there, what I would put there. Maybe a Fanimation Islander, or I would do a Emerson Casablanca Classic. Okay, well, that's all for this little 42-inch GE vent. And there's one more fan I'm going to do, and that's the living room one. And I'll be back with that one. Thanks for watching.